Good morning class. Hope you are doing well beta. As you know, in the previous video we have completed exercise 10.1 up to question number 5th beta. Today we will discuss the remaining question. So the question number 6 is salaries of Mr. Gupta and Mr. Chadda are in the ratio 9:7. If Mr. Gupta's salary is 36,000, then what will be the salary of Mr. Chadda? In the question number 6 you have given the ratio of, and the value of ratio is 9:7. The value of ratio is 9:7. As we know that ratio will become after the cancellation of the common factor, let us suppose the common factor is x. So from here, salary of Mr. Gupta will become equal to 9 multiplied by x, because ratio is the salary of Mr. Gupta to Mr. Chadda. So first one represent the salary of Mr. Gupta and second one for Mr. Chadda. Okay beta. And x is the highest common factor between their salaries which they have cancelled in the ratio. So this is the salary for Mr. Gupta, and in the same way salary for Mr. Chadda will be 7x. So from here the salary of Mr. Gupta is given equal to 36,000. So 9x must be equal to 36,000 rupees. From here we can find the value of x by dividing both sides by 9. It will become x and it will become 36,000 divided by 9. After division the value of x will be 4,000. Okay. So now we have to calculate what? We have to calculate the value of salary of Mr. Chadda. So salary of Mr. Chadda is equal to 7x, and that is equal to 7 multiplied by 4,000, because value of x is 4,000. So 7 4 is 28,000. From here the value of salary of Mr. Chadda will become equal to 28,000 rupees. Okay. So this is the solution of your question number 6 beta. I hope all of you got it. This is the solution of your question number 6. Now we will do the next question. Question number 7th. Ankita has 6,720 kg of rice. She want to pack the rices in 3 different bags, and the ratio of bag is 4:6:2. So find the quantity of rice in each bag. Okay. Again we have given the ratio of weight of bags. So ratio is 4:6:2. Now we can simplify this ratio beta. This ratio will be 2:3:1, because 2 is the highest common factor between all. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to find the quantity of each bag. To find the quantity of each bag, let us suppose the common factor between these all 3 bags will be x. Okay, because this is the ratio of their quantity. How much rice can be held by each bag? This ratio represents the ratio of their quantity. So let the highest common factor is x. So the quantity held by first bag is 2x, second bag is 3x, and third one is x. Okay. And all the 3 bag holds the total quantity, that is 6,720. So from here we can write 2x plus 3x plus x must be equal to 6,720 kg, because this amount of rice will be filled in these 3 bags. So this is equal to 6x, and the value is 6,720. Now from here value of x is equal to 6720 divided by 6. After division the value of x will be equal to 1120. Okay, so value of x we have find out. So we will find out by using the value of x quantity held by each bag. So the quantity of first bag is twice of x, and that is 2 multiplied by 1120, and value is 2240 kg. Now for second bag. For second bag the value is 3x, 3 multiplied by 1120, and the value is 3360 kg. Again the last one, quantity of last bag, that is equal to x, and that is 1120 kg. Okay, so this is the solution of your question number 7th beta. I hope all of you got it. The 8th question is same like your question number 7th and 6th. Try to solve the 8th question by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.